Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Niranjana. I'm a consultant obstetrician and gynecologist at KJK Hospital, Trivandrum. Today I'm here to talk about a subject that is less touched upon, depression in pregnancy. We've had quite a number of people asking us to put up a video about depression in pregnancy, and though we feel it is something very rare, it actually is not. There are a lot of pregnant women who are suffering from depression, but identifying those signs and symptoms is something that is quite difficult because you tend to mix it with or confuse it with the hormone changes in pregnancy. So a woman who is depressed in pregnancy tends to have sleep related issues, tends to not eat well, might forever be crying, feel very less interested in doing things. And identifying that is very, very important, because if you have not identified that the woman is depressed, that will tend to carry over to her postpartum period, and that will worsen the postpartum issues for her. So as it is, women tend to have baby blues and postpartum depression, but antenatal depression, which is not treated, tends to worsen during the postpartum period. So again, another thing that is quite dangerous is that the woman who is depressed in pregnancy tends to receive less prenatal care. They do not eat well, they do not get enough rest, and they are at an increased risk of miscarriage. They are at an increased risk of having a baby who's born preterm, that is much before the delivery date. The baby can be of low birth weight. And again, I cannot stress enough on the importance of treating depression in pregnancy, because it leads to postpartum depression, and it's a very serious condition that can last for months, and it affects the mother, her baby, her family members in multiple ways. So a mother who is actually depressed and does not receive the adequate care during pregnancy tends to have a baby who's who has developed, the baby tends to have develop attachment problems with the mother. The baby can be withdrawn, become passive. The baby tends to develop their skills later than other children, and this can even carry over to the toddlerhood. Toddlers, the toddlers whose mothers are depressed during pregnancy tends to be less independent, and they have problems interacting with other people. They become more aggressive, and they have trouble being disciplined. And even in school age also, this tends to carry over, because as school children, they can have behavioral problems, learning difficulties, and they are at a higher risk of ADHD, attention deficit hyperactivity disorder. They may not do well in school, and they themselves can suffer from anxiety or depression. So diagnosing depression, taking medicines for it, taking therapy for it, seeking counseling for it is of utmost important. I would like to please request the family members of women who are pregnant to have a watch over them. If they do show any of the signs that I've mentioned above, please make sure they receive adequate help and support in pregnancy.